Hi guys, welcome back to Land and Sea Adventures. Today Sherry and I are going to get some much needed essential exercise, and we're going to do it along Samurai Beach. We're going for a walk up and down the beach, and as you may or may not know, Samurai is four-wheel drive access only, so it's a win-win for us. We get to four-wheel drive on the beach and we get to get some exercise. So hang around and enjoy the ride.
Good shot.
Right, here we are, air down, air brake off. Hubs are locked in, four-wheel drive engaged.
Press play. Just starts.
Like a happy soul.
Yes, well, he just went back from the beach, didn't he?
He's got to go home, he's probably sad. Haven't been out here for a while.
I don't ages.
I mean, I've been out once or twice since you have been. You haven't been out since about this car.
No, oh no, I haven't.
The old forest to be scraping along here. Hey, we're dragging the muffler along this, sandblasting the muffler, that's for sure. Getting them ruts. Here's the whoop-de-doos.
Yes.
As soon as I get out of them, I'm on the beach at Samurai. Beautiful day. There's 1 Mile Beach up there. Nice calm seas today too. Be nice out there on a boat. Down up to Broughton Island or somewhere, doing a bit of diving. Go and find some lunch soon. Mullet runs, the salmon runs. Okay, mate, still sitting up there in his nudies. They parked in between the rocks.
Yeah, I saw that. Do a live on Tuesday as we're leaving.
Yep. The other way.
I mean, hard. Good timing. Oh shit!
Oh, I think you got it, mate.
Oh shit! Yes, he did.
Oh, he's just dinged his bumper.
Yes, note to self: we have to stop and back up to let people out. Remember the tree.
Yeah, look at the rear view mirror.
Right this side. Gonna pop in up there in the shade.
Yeah.